Day 5. Good morning. How we doing today? Let's take a look at this again. I know that you're probably getting pretty repetitious by now and probably pretty boring, but you know, trying to keep the follow-up going on. It should be a lot taller by now, but it's been kind of cool. And I'm about ready to take off the blackout, put some sunshine on them. Grow lights, maybe not, maybe tomorrow. Water these things down. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to work. So I'm gonna make this a little shorter, I think. Here we go. Boy, look at those stems and those root systems. They're getting bigger. Alright. That's it for, look at it a little better. I'd say for a couple years old, these got a really excellent germination. Some of these you think's not popped out are just shells. Seeds are open. Alright, see you this evening. Okay, it is evening time. It's time to get this watered again. These are just shells here. You can see these are starting to stand up quite a bit, and before long I'll be able to take the blackout off of them and let them get full sunshine, which by at that point I will put them in my grow room to where I have my lights. So a little patience and it'll come along. These make some nice solid greens, if you like radishes, that is, and you do other types. You're gonna spray them down again, and this is pretty much it. I mean, they're doing pretty good. I don't see any mold or anything on them. Time to time, you can get them molded. If you get them too humid, they'll mold on you. But out here in the open, that's probably not going to happen that often. But that's about it. Just see how nice and white the roots are. Nice and white, no mold nowhere. That's really important to keep an eye out for mold. Now I just use plain paper towels, double thickness. I put 6 of them. That's like 3 towelettes across and double it over, so that's 6. And then I tuck them in. And this is one really good wicking system. I mean, really. I'll tip that up a little bit. Well, can't see that angle of my video. Sorry. But I showed you when I put it together. If you go back and look at the other video, you know, these things are really growing. Starting to take root now into my little garden of paper towel roll. Really interesting. I will probably be putting them in the light before long, but for now I'm just going to black them out some more. You black them out, it helps them get taller because they're looking for the light, and they'll grow longer. Because if you want your microgreens a little taller, you can black them out a little longer, and then when you let them get to the light, then they'll stand up and they'll get really green. Photosynthesis, I think they call it. But yeah, I hope you like, subscribe, and share. And I really appreciate the subscriptions, because I'm shooting for that 1,000 subscriber mark. I know I'm not even at 20 yet. It's 15 yet maybe, but I appreciate everything. Thank you very much.